Hey guys, so in this video we're going to talk about, the process of how you would be able to get, you know, upgrade from Robinhood to cash management. And I just would need you to remember or know that this feature is actually not available anymore or supported by Robinhood. So if you need to actually file a dispute on this cash management transaction, including those made with Robinhood cash management debit card, you just need to contact them, okay? So you just call them on these numbers 888-275-8523, and you'll actually get a call back from their support team, or you can use the chat on their website or in the app. Okay, just come here, click on support, and if you want to write to them, you just write to Robinhood, 85 Wheeler Road, Menlo Park, California, and that is the zip code. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, as well as subscribe to frequently asked questions.